Hibiscus is also an entomophilic flower, which means they attract insects and pollinators. Some of the characteristics of hibiscus is that they are very large and showy and has vibrant colors. They are found in wide varieties of colors like red, pink, etc. They consist of 5 petals, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as you can see here. And they are also very nectar rich, which means they produce this nectar that attracts pollinators. And also they have high pollen production, which means they produce a significant amount of pollen.
This is sword lily. It is also known as gladulus. Sword lily comes in variety of colors such as red, pink, yellow, white and bicolored that attracts different kind of pollinators. Sword lily produces nectar, a sweet energy-rich substance that attracts pollinators. The shape of the sword lily is a tubular shape which allows easy access to nectar and pollen. Some of the sword lilies produces a sweet fragrance that attracts pollinators.
This is marigold. It is an entomophilic flower because it relies on insects for the pollination. Flower has several characteristics that attracts the insects. It includes bright color, it have yellow and orange color, and it have a very strong and pungent fragrance that is emitted by this flower, which attracts the insect, and it is very rich in nectar. Marigold flower has a very open structure which makes it very easily accessible for the pollen and the nectar. Marigold flower attracts varieties of insects that includes bee, butterflies, hoverflies, etc. And without the pollination, the marigold flower wouldn't produce any seeds and the production population will decline.
Now let's talk about bougainvillea. As we all know that bougainvillea is known for its bright peppery breath that surrounds small and delicate flowers, and it is also an ornamental plant which can be used in gardens as well as landscaping. It is native to South America. So let's talk about some of the interesting facts about bougainvillea is that it has vibrant color. As you can see, it comes in wide range of colors like white, pink, as well as there is red, purple, etc. It is also a good pollinator. It has so vibrant color that it attracts pollinators, which helps in wildlife friendly situations.
This is rose. Rose has some distinctive sweet fragrance which attracts pollinators. Rose comes in various colors such as red, pink, white, yellow and bicolors that attracts different kind of pollinators. Some of the pollinators are bees, butterflies and moths. The shape of the rose are cup-shaped petals which allow easy access to pollen and nectar. They depend on pollinators for reproduction. In return, provide nectar and pollen for the insects.
This is bottle brush, Callistemon species. It is very famous for its brush-like appearance and it has very bright yellow color, bright red color and bright purple color. The flower produces abundant nectar which attracts pollinators. The bottle brush emits a sweet honey-like fragrance that attracts the insects. The unique brush-like structure allows the insect to easily access the nectar and the pollen. Bottle brush are pollinated by various pollinators which is bees, butterflies, moths and hoverflies, etc. Entomophilic features are they are nectar guides, pollen presentation is very easy and the flower fragrance is very sweet.
Hello everyone, so let's talk about dahlia. Dahlia is indeed an entomophilic flower, which means it attracts insects. Some of the characteristics of dahlia are that it has large showy blooms. Dahlia flowers are known for their large pom-pom-like blooms that comes in varieties of colors including pink, purple, white and bicolored. They are also nectar rich, which means it produces nectar which attracts pollinators. And some other interesting facts about dahlia is that they have tubular flowers. Some of the varieties have tubular flowers, which means they attract hummingbirds or some long-tongued pollinators.
This is poppy flower. Poppy flower comes in various colors such as red, pink, white and purple. Poppy flower produces nectar a sweet, energy-rich substance that attracts pollinators. The shape of the poppy flowers are open curve shape which allow easy access to nectar and pollen. Poppy plant depends on pollinators for reproduction. In return, they produce nectar and pollen for the insects.
This is a yellow trumpet flower. The yellow trumpet flower has several characteristics that make it an attractive destination for the insect. It has bright yellow colored flowers. It has trumpet shape which allows the insect to easily access the pollen and the nectar. This is a very nectar-rich flower which emits a very sweet, energy-rich substance that attracts the insect. And the insect attracted are bees, butterflies, hummingbird, etc.